Hey, Derek here at 5 Minute Music. Today, how to shred better. So we're going to build on how to shred better. We're going to build on the concept of accuracy before speed. What does that mean? It means let's play clean, accurate, clean tone, clean notes, clean rhythm. Let's get it clean and pretty before we go faster. We're also going to use a metronome. You can get them on any kind of phone or tablet, whatever you have. They're out there. You can download them for free. And we're going to do an exercise that moves across the strings where we're going to keep our fingers low. We're going to use all of our fingers and keep them low, keep them close to the string. So today, the exercise is going to start on the 5th fret of the 6th string. That's the thickest string, the E string. And it's going to go up 4 fingers on each fret. So 5th fret, 6th fret, 7th, 8th. Then you'll move to the 5th fret of the A string, 6, 7, 8. 5th of the D string, 5th fret of the G string, 6, 7, 8. 5th fret of the B string, 6, 7, 8. And then 5th of the skinny E string, the 1st string, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to come back 7, 6, 5. Then you're going to go to the 8th fret of the B string, 8th fret, 7th, 6th, 5th, 8th of the G string, 8th of the D string, and so on. So we're just going to use adjacent frets, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th frets, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up. And then as we're coming down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I want you to play along. I'm going to start at 60 BPM. That means 60 beats per minute. And so I'm going to turn it on. Here it is. And we're going to do this. So remember, accuracy before speed. Keep your hand curved. Keep your hand in a C shape. Press down right behind the frets. So let's try this. 1, 2, ready, go. 5th fret, 6th, 7th, 8th. Your pick hand's going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 5th fret, 6th fret, 7th, 8th, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 8th fret, 8th fret. And there it is. And this is going to get you used to using all of your fingers, keeping your hand in a C shape, staying close to the fret. Remember, if the further you pull off from the string, the further back your hand has to go, and that slows you down. Just simple physics. The further you are from something, the further you have to come back. So as we do this, and this is hard, this is something I have to work at, but I want you to play it and keep your fingers as low as possible. Not touching the string because it'll make it buzz, but keep them close to the string and off the string. So if that's comfortable, you did it at 60, go a little bit faster. So try, maybe try 66. So there's 66. And it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And again, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Turn it around, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, and so on. And if that's clean, jump it up there. I'm going to jump up a little bit. I'm going to jump up to, I'll go up to 80. So if it's clean, no sloppy sounding notes, no notes that are going, no, you want it clean. And if they're all clean, by all means, jump it up. And you are well on your way to shredding better. So this is Derek at 5 Minute Music. If you've enjoyed this, feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, tell your friends about it. Thank you for being here. I hope this helps you, and talk to you soon. Bye.